Using DSers with eBay allows you to streamline your dropshipping business by automating product imports and order fulfillment. Here's how to set it up. Create a DSers account. Visit the DSers website and sign up for an account. This will give you access to the DSers dashboard and its features. Link your eBay account. In your DSers dashboard, navigate to the integration section. Find the option for eBay and click on it. You'll be prompted to log into your eBay account and authorize DSers to access it. Import products. Use DSers to find products from suppliers like AliExpress. Search for items within the DSers app and import them into your product catalog, customizing titles, descriptions, and pricing as needed. List products on eBay. Once products are imported, you can list them directly on your eBay store. DSers allows you to manage your listings efficiently. Manage orders. When customers place orders on eBay, DSers will sync these automatically. You can fulfill them directly from the DSers dashboard by placing orders with your suppliers. Track shipments. DSers provides tracking information for all shipments, which you can share with customers to keep them updated on their order status.